everyone, we are happy to announce that we are organizing online physio fitness session. So we do have 3 different batches. One is in the morning at 6 am for the age group of 18 to 40 years. Second batch is at 10 am which is for the age group of 40 to 60 years, and the last batch which is at the 6:30 pm for the age group of 13 to 50 years. So all the sessions will long last for 1 to 1.5 hours. The training method is My Life method of training, which is designed by Dr. Pratik, who is physiotherapist, bodybuilder and also certified personal trainer in fitness, diet and nutrition. For more detailed information, you can contact us on a below given number, or else we do have our own Facebook page. You can contact over there, link I have given in the description box. So here are some of the sample videos which you can follow, and if you want to join us, it will be completely safe training since it will be fully under doctor's observation. First exercise is corkscrew. This one is core strengthening exercise that targets the lower abs, hips, lower back. The twisting movement also targets the oblique muscle. Next exercise is push-ups. This is beneficial for building upper body strength, but mainly it works the pectoral muscle, but along with this triceps and shoulder muscle also work. It also beneficial for core strengthening. Next exercise is plank. This will improve the body balance, posture and it strengthens your core, thereby very effective for reducing a belly fat, and it also beneficial for reducing back pain. Try holding this exercise at least for 30 seconds. Next exercise is jump and squat. This is HIIT version of squat. This is also considered as a cardio which help you in reducing of fat and also improve the strength in lower body and reduce the belly fat. Next exercise is leg raise with Swiss ball. This exercise is primarily targeting the abs. So here, without doing any harmful crunches, you can lose belly fat easily. Since crunches is very bad for your back and you should avoid it completely. Last exercise for this age group is leg climbing. So this exercise again work all over the abs, side of your tummy, and the main important thing about this exercise is that it is a part of Pilates, which is safe and very effective for core strengthening and core recruitment. So first exercise of this age group is knee push-ups. This is modified version of traditional push-ups which help you in improving the strength in pectoral muscle. It is also good for shoulder stability and core recruitment. Next exercise is cat and camel. This exercise is good for core muscle recruitment, which is good for relieving a back pain and also improve the posture in old age by mobilizing the spine. Next exercise is Russian twist. This exercises help burn love handles, which is excess fat at the side of your belly, and also increase the stability of spine and hip joint. Next exercise is chair squat. This is a beginner friendly exercise or for the person over the 40 year of age. This will help you in building the good leg strength, which can prevent the certain old age joint disease like osteoarthritis. Next exercise is triceps dips. This is targeting back of our upper arm, which also improve the stability in shoulder joint and help for reducing a saggy arm in old age due to lack of muscle tone. Last exercise for this age group is ball bridging. So this is very good for glute strengthening and also increase the stability and balance in a spine, which is again good for improving in certain type of back pain and improve the posture.